Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Bohr. In this episode, it's going to be pan-seared scallops. I have some huge scallops. I'm going to cook them out on the grill on an iron skillet. So let me show you how I put this together. I've already cleaned up my scallops, got that little bit of muscle off of it, and then I'm going to season them. So I've got just a quarter of a cup of flour in here. And you could use something like Simply Seasoning or whatever Italian seasoning would work pretty good. I've made my own with some seasoned salt, some oregano and thyme. So I'm just gonna place that in there, mix it up really quick, just with my fingers, just like so. Grab some of these scallops, I'll just do one at a time. Coat them all the different sides. Make sure you get all the extra flour off of them, just like so. And then we're gonna put these out in an iron skillet with some clarified butter. You could use olive oil and butter, kind of a teaspoon of each and something like that. But I'm just gonna do them just like this. So I'll go finish the rest of these and we'll get out on the grill here in just a minute. All right, I'm out on the grill. I have my side burner on right here with my iron skillet. I've got my clarified butter in there. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these scallops, stick them on there just like so. Let them cook up. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. I can't wait. It's gonna take about a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes. I'm gonna watch these very close and I'm gonna flip them over. All right, it's been about a minute and a half to 2 minutes here. This is on high heat, so look at that. Oh my goodness, a nice crust on these scallops. I'll cook them just for a couple more minutes. And then I'm gonna put them inside the grill so they'll stay warm while I finish the rest of the batch. All right, I brought the scallops inside after pan-searing them. These look beautiful. I've got to give it a try, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Wow, nice and tender, soft. Use my fingers. I'm gonna grab a fork here. Wow, they're pretty hot still, but this is when you want to eat them anyways. Ooh, that's real hot. Just that little bit of flavoring goes a long way on a scallop. Love to grill them without pan-searing them, but pan-searing it just gives it a whole nother flavor, especially with that clarified butter. I'd recommend giving it a try. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. Thanks.